Welcome back. News headlines in English to speak on 28th February. And first of all, national news. Rupees 10,000 bonus, medal, 7-day leave, reward for corps on Kumbh duty. At 19.5 degrees, Delhi recorded warmest February in 74 years. Trusted friend, strategic ally. EU chief on India visit to boost strategic ties. Six-time BJP MLA Mohan Singh Bisht elected Deputy Speaker of Delhi Assembly. Think Tank hosted a discussion on strengthening gender dimension in public policy. Centre appointed Finance Secretary Tuhin Kant Pandey as the new SEBI chief. IAS officer Madhurani Tewatia appointed secretary to Delhi Chief Minister Rekha Gupta. And now, international news. Musk suggested more salary for US Congress members to discourage corruption. Extracting Ukraine's rare earth element might not be profitable due to various factors. Tariffs on Mexico, Canada to take effect from March 4. Trump. USAID USAID workers said goodbye to headquarters as Trump cut foreign aid. US cuts overseas development program budgets by more than 90%, State Department. And now some sports news. Star India pacer Jasprit Bumrah hit the nets for the first time in over a month. WPL 2025 Ashley Gardner 50 sealed Gujarat Giants dominant win over Royal Challengers Bengaluru. And that's all in news. Thank you.